central government je babe chungno thungha central government has denied, central government has refused to listen to our voice, the cries of Tirpasas. Aba pando chung tawa notice ni bro, all the 8 sisters, including Sikkim, all the 8 sisters, tawa chin bae bachai to Tirpasas ni ba pandawa. Aba pandang masanai Tirpasas ni yok mari phen pandawa. Bisi balu sia ta khuram khro. Chini bae ama boisa ungye tongmano. Bis kangwa chung Purnima tu beri phainai. Chini Maharaja ni leader sinim sing toy. Ta khuram khro chung sio. Ta khuram khro chung sio. India independent. Chini Bharat Borsor independent on pandawa. The Northeast leaders and the princely independent state of Tripura people had contributed so much for the independence of our country. We Northeast people, we always proudly introduce ourselves that we are the proud citizen of our country. Once upon a time, our Tripura state was known for the extremism. We were known for the extremism, but the government of India never tried to know why the people of Tripura had joined the extremists. Government of India never tried to know why these young boys and girls leaving their families behind had fled to the jungles. Tinio, we have enough of contribution for the independence of our country. But in return, what do we get in return? After the merger agreement with the government of India, with full faith and hope that our government of India will take care of our rights, our protection. But what we have seen in return, government of India has never paid attention to our cry. Therefore, forcibly be the people of Tirpasas, we are bound to form the extremists, we are bound to form several times the organization, the Anchalik party, the regional party, to fight for our rights against the government of India, against the concept of the government of India. The Constitution of India is being framed, irrespective of all colors, all religion. We are equal. But though the Constitution says that we are equal in our country, irrespective of all tribes, but in practical, we have never seen, we have never felt, we always felt that we are divided, we are ignored. Therefore, today we are bound to form, we are bound to raise our voice. Let the government of India think, respond to our cry. If they really consider that we, the Tirpasas, are their citizens, it is their responsibility to take care of its own citizen. Bono ang sanim chuwa ta kuram krong, bangma kau sanim matungo. Tini time sorry ba panda ang saya. If I ever get opportunity ang sanay, ay nim khani kau tini ang sakho yako, ang try next time sanay ta kuram krong. Ang ba pandawa tini notice joto leaders, though they are not tao present ni apono. Ang brono hambay Mario, tini tanghao paye chuno support ke paimo pandawa.